you doing, folks? This is Ross from Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out an absolute gorgeous rust-free 1995 Chevrolet Silverado Shortbox. Believed to be all original paint. Super nice truck. The grill's been replaced along with the headlights and the marker lights just because they were all yellowed from age. It's all the original front bumper and everything. The paint on the truck is exceptional condition. Very nice. Real straight. Not got no dings or scratches on the sides. Very nice truck. All the moldings are in excellent condition. It's got the sport wheel package. So all the applique and everything on the tailgate is in excellent condition. It's original rear bumper. All the taillights are really nice. It's got dual electric mirrors. So even the wheels are in excellent condition. It's got the 5.7 in it. It's had new AC compressor put on it. Everything works like it should. Very clean. Hood light, everything still works like it should. It's got just over 129,000 miles on it. I've put about 300 miles on this truck myself. It's all the original interior and it's excellent condition. Again, it's loaded up, air, tilt, cruise, windows, locks, mirrors. It's a headliner, everything's excellent condition. Got the split bench with fold down armrest, power lumbar. It's spray and bed liner. They've dark tinted the windows. I think that's part of the reason the interior is so nice still. It's well protected. Carpet does have, you know, a little wear to it. Expected for being, you know, the old original carpet. I mean, all the rest of the interior is excellent condition. Got a Flowmaster cat back exhaust system on it, new. It's got the 2-inch Beltec lowering rear shackles just to give it the lower down in the back look. Everything on this truck works and rides and drives perfect. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can also visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. We have the original window sticker and original purchase order. Have a great day, folks.